Hey, what's up everyone? It's Sujoy. Listen, I've said it before and I'll say it again. Passive income is king. You are literally making money while you sleep. And one of the best ways to generate passive income is by selling ebooks. Today, I'm going to hook you up with the top 10 websites to sell your ebooks on. These platforms give you direct access to millions of readers and the potential to earn some serious cash. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 websites where you can sell your ebooks and generate passive income. Imagine making money while you sleep. First up, we have the reigning champ, the OG platform for ebooks, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, better known as KDP. It's incredibly user-friendly, even if you've never published anything in your life. And the best part, you're tapping into Amazon's massive customer base. We're talking about millions of potential readers hungry for their next page turner, which could be yours. All right, next up we have Apple Books. Now, let me ask you, do you know how many people own an iPhone, iPad or Mac? It's a ton. And by publishing on Apple Books, you're directly in front of all those potential readers. Think about it. Someone's scrolling through their phone on the train, bored out of their mind, and bam, your ebook pops up. That's the power of Apple Books. Barnes & Noble, guys, come on. It's a household name, a trusted brand, and they've completely embraced the digital world with Barnes & Noble Press. If you want that traditional bookstore vibe with the ease of online publishing, this one's for you. The process is super straightforward, and you'll benefit from their reputation as a leader in the book industry. Chapter 4. Kobo Writing Life, Go Global with your ebook. Now, if you're serious about reaching a global audience, Kobo Writing Life needs to be on your radar. They have a ridiculously wide distribution network, connecting you with readers in tons of different countries. Think about it. Your ebook could be downloaded and enjoyed by someone thousands of miles away. That's the power of a truly global platform. Chapter 5, Smashwords, the indie author's secret weapon. Listen up, indie authors, this one's for you. Smashwords has been a game changer for self-published authors for years, and for good reason. They offer a ton of distribution options, which means your ebook gets seen in more places, and they also give you marketing tools to help you sell more copies. It's like having a whole publishing team in your corner. Chapter 6. Lulu, total flexibility for your book dreams. Lulu is a seriously versatile platform. Not only can you publish your ebook, but you can also create physical copies too. So if you've always dreamed of holding your book in your hands, Lulu can make it happen. And the control you have is amazing. You control the pricing, the formatting, everything. It's perfect for authors who want to be hands-on throughout the entire process. Chapter 7. Draft 2 Digital. Making self-publishing a breeze. Draft 2. Digital is all about making your life easier as an author. Their platform is designed to make publishing as simple as possible, so you can focus on what really matters. Writing amazing content. They also offer wide distribution, so your ebook will be available on all the major retailers. It's basically a one-stop shop for all your self-publishing needs.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually
Chapter 8. Google Play Books tapping into the Android market. Okay, let's talk about Android users. There are millions of them out there, and Google Play Books is your direct line to their devices. Think about it, someone's browsing for a new read on their Android phone or tablet, and boom, your ebook pops up. It's that simple. Don't underestimate the power of Google Play Books. Chapter 9. Blurb for ebooks that look as good as they read. Blurb is all about quality. They're known for their high-quality printing and ebook publishing services. So if you want your book to look as amazing as it reads, Blurb is a great option. Their platform gives you a ton of creative control over the design and layout of your ebook, so you can make sure it looks absolutely perfect before you hit publish. Chapter 10. PayHip, be your own boss, sell directly to your audience. All right, last but not least, we have PayHip. Now this one is for the entrepreneurs out there, the ones who want complete control over their sales and their customer data. With PayHip, you can sell your ebooks directly from your own website. That means no middleman, no platform fees, just pure profit going straight into your pocket. Outro, start building your passive income empire today. All right, so there you have it. The top 10 websites to sell your ebooks and start generating passive income. Remember, the beauty of ebooks is that they're digital products. You write it once and it can sell thousands, even millions of times over. Now it's time to take action. Don't let those ebook ideas stay locked away in your computer. Pick a platform, upload your masterpiece, and start building that passive income stream. Thanks for watching. If you're serious about making money with your ebooks, sign up for our free webinar workshop. Learn the secrets to generating passive income and take your ebook sales to the next level. Don't miss out.